Overindulgence, and especially alcohol at Christmas, can send my sleep patterns all over the place. But intermittent fasting helps me get back into my circadian rhythm and my sleep cycles back to normal. I'm not alone. We do this every year. There's at least 400 of us, and this method of watching when you eat rather than what you eat has become very popular. And in 2019, it was the most Googled diet on the planet. But for peri, mid and postmenopausal women, there are some issues to be aware of. If it's not done with care and attention, it can cause more problems than it solves. Traditional Chinese medicine wisdom has long recommended eating during daylight hours and resting the digestive organs at night. And this is the part of living in harmony with the circadian cycles and following the energy of nature that we're going to be using.